Good morning, students. I welcome you for the chemistry class. Today, in this particular video, you'll be studying about the reaction of acid with metal carbonate and metal bicarbonate. First, let us study about the reaction of an acid with metal carbonate. So, what are the products which is formed when metal carbonate react with an acid? It's a respective salt, carbon dioxide gas will be liberated, and water will be formed. An example: when Na2CO3, sodium carbonate, react with HCl, so the products formed is NaCl, carbon dioxide, and water. So students, you can also try an experiment. So do the reaction like sodium carbonate reacting with sulfuric acid and find out the products which is formed. So it should be the particular respective salts, carbon dioxide, and water. So that's a common product. The other example, when calcium carbonate reacting with sulfuric acid, so what we get is CaSO4, calcium sulfate, carbon dioxide, and water. In this case also you can try the reaction CaCO3 reacting with HCl. So try the reaction with hydrochloric acid and find out what products you do get. Now the reaction of acid with bicarbonates. So when acid reacts with metal bicarbonates or hydrogen carbonate, the product formed is salt, carbon dioxide, and water. Example, when sulfuric acid reacts with sodium bicarbonate, the product formed is Na2SO4, that is sodium sulfate, carbon dioxide, and water. Now, the test for evolution of carbon dioxide. In both the cases, there is elimination of carbon dioxide gas. So, how to test the liberated gas is carbon dioxide? Thing is where we have to pass the liberated carbon dioxide to lime water. So, lime water turns milky. So, this is an ideal test, a characteristic test for carbon dioxide. So why the lime water is turning milky? This is how the reaction happens. So when you pass carbon dioxide to lime water, that is CaOH twice. So there's a formation of CaCO3. So this will be the white PPT. So this is the milky thing. And the other product is water. So if you pass excess of carbon dioxide, what happens? If you pass excess of carbon dioxide to lime water, so it makes the milky things disappear. So what will happen is when you pass excess of carbon dioxide to this the milky thing. So what happens is the product what is formed is calcium hydrogen carbonate. So this is soluble in water. So that's how the milky color of the solution disappears. Now the difference for different forms of calcium carbonate is limestone, chalk, marble, and the eggshells. They do have this calcium carbonate. Here is an experiment where in the boiling test tube you can take 5 ml of sulfuric acid. To that zinc granules has been added. So with the one hole rubber cork, you can just plug it and a bent tube is connected to a soap solution. So when you just add zinc and sulfuric acid, so they do react and there's a formation of ZnSO4, zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas will be evolved. Now you can see the bubbles. And this hydrogen gas will pass through the bent tube, the delivery tube, and it is passed to the soap solution. So why in the soap solution? Because to get a bigger bubbles. So that bubbles will trap that hydrogen gas. So when you get a burning candle near to it, the hydrogen gas being a combustible gas, it burns with a pop sound. So this indicates the liberated gas is hydrogen. It's an assignment question for you students. So complete this reaction. Zinc reacting with HCl and zinc reacting with acetic acid. So there's a common product where hydrogen gas is eliminated. The last thing where zinc reacting with sodium hydroxide. So when you make the zinc granules to react with sodium hydroxide solution, so what you get the product is sodium zincate with elimination of hydrogen gas. Again, there is a liberation of hydrogen gas. Thank you. Have a nice day.